Hi guys, I'm doing my Boxycharm video today. I've had this since Friday. Yeah, this is, don't mind, that's my animals. I'm upstairs, I'm in my makeup room because my son's downstairs playing music and I don't want to get copyright notices, so I figured I would do it up here in the kitchen real quick. So yeah, gonna hear my animals running around, bells and stuff, whatever. Yeah, so this is for, what is this for? February. So I haven't opened it yet. I just opened it now, so I don't have to fight with it. And what's the theme? Galaxy Glow. Galaxy Glow. Yep. What is this? 20% off coupon. Next purchase of on coverfx.com. Use the code FXCharm. So there you go, people, if you need it. Okay, so I'm a little excited about this because I saw some spoilers. So I guess this is why we got the coupon. Cover FX, and this is a shimmer veil. Let's read. Shimmer veil, this is worth $28. Box is $21. These multi-use shimmering cream colors are crease-proof enough for the boldest of eye colors and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face, suitable for all skin types. And it's worth $28. I don't know if I would ever freaking use this, but this is it. This is nice. It's like a pink pearl. Oh, that is nice. Look at that. It's like a metallic. I don't know if you could see because I'm in the kitchen and the window is right there. But yeah. Can you see that? It's like very shimmery. Yeah. All right, so we got that. $28, so it already paid for the box. This I was freaking excited for. Crown brushes. We got a 3-piece set. Let's see, how do you open this? My animals are just running around like maniacs right now. I know there's probably a thing on here. Yeah, here. You could just peel it open. There it is. Don't mind me. I'm in my work clothes as usual. I just got home. Really? We got this guy. Doesn't say what it is on here. Just says crown. It's nice. I got that. I like how it has the groove. You can hold your, hold it good. Has like a grip. And there's this one. Cute. And this one. So we got these brushes. And crown. Let's read. Crown Pro Trio Brush Set, $29.99. Use this 3-piece Brush Pro Trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. The medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face. Finally, the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. So that's $29.99. Pretty cool. What the heck is this? Doesn't say anything on it. I have no idea what this is, but it's clear. Yeah. I don't know what this is. It doesn't even say anything on it. Not that I see. Oh, wait, it does, but it's in, like, silver also. All right, let's read the card. What the hell is this? Oh, okay. This must be the Pure Complexion Authority X-Fox Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. Yeah. With an instant boost of shea butter, raw sugar, and exfoliating beads. This 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and soothes, using the shea butter to soften lips, while the raw sugar and exfoliating beads are used to buff away dead surface cells. It moisturizes the lips for a softer, smoother, more plump lip. Oh, that's cool. So it's a exfoliator by Pure. That's cool. And what did I say it is? Worth $17. All right, I'm excited about that. What the hell is this? Ofra. I'm assuming it's, oh, it's a blush. Blush in Winter Rose Glow. So we got like a little pan thing, and it's a blush. Oh, I thought it was stuck to there. It's not. It's good for Z palettes. I love these things. That's what it looks like. I don't know if you could see it. It's like a light dusting. That's nice right here. Very nice. So we got that from Ofra. And this is worth, where are you? Blush is $12. And I'm assuming I got the palette. That's what it's talking about. Pop-up palette mini. Worth $19.99. I have no idea what the hell they mean by pop-up. There's a way this does something. I'm not sure what that is, but it stands. Okay, Pop-Up Palette Mini provides a perfect home for any magnetic makeup gadget. Items can be continuously tailored and rearranged according to personal preference. The unique design is lightweight and travel-friendly, yes, yet securely holds the gadgets in place. The Blush Gadget offers strong pigment with a long-lasting effect in a fabulous pressed powder blush. So, of course, they're talking about the blush. All right. Yeah, it could stand up. It's lightweight. I've seen people, I just don't know how they did it. Like, it stands, I guess, like this. You see? And then you can have your pan stuck to it. I have a bunch of these freaking pans. See? And it just sticks. Cool, huh? Or you can just do this. That's nice. Alright. So yeah, I got that. And one more thing. It's from Vintage. And it's a smoky eye pencil worth $21. Jessica's richly pigmented smoky eye pencil delivers intense jet black definition, creating pencil paint precision or smudgy saturated color. The creamy soft formula glides on lids without tugging or pulling. So it's in jet black. Oh yeah, yes it is. You could see that with no problem. So I'm excited about that. So yeah, that's what we got, guys. So we got this smoky eye pencil, lip exfoliator from Pure, this blush from Ofra, this Z palette from Ofra, which is pretty cool, and this brush trio from Crown, which is cool. I really like them. They're like pink and white. They're very pretty. And then this shimmer thing. It's really metallic-y. I don't know if you could see that, but my goodness, it's really nice. Yeah. that's what we got. That is it. So yeah, box well worth over $21. I love Boxycharm. It's crazy how they could just send this stuff out. I say it in every video. $12, $28, $21, $17, and $29.99. Yep. You only pay $21. They got this coupon. Pretty cool. Yeah, so that's my Galaxy Glow. I was like excited to see what the hell was in it already. I've had it since Friday and it's already Tuesday. Alright guys, so yeah. Hope everyone is doing well. Sorry I haven't been on in a while. I've been busy. And yeah, I'm going to try to make more videos soon. And maybe go live. What else? Ipsy's on its way. Maybe it'll be here tomorrow, I'm thinking. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you got in your Boxycharm. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.